Got Black Diamond. What's up, girl? If they can see what I can see, they understand the diamond.
Okay.
What it do, what it do. Okay, well, you know we on a mission, and while you're in here, we talking about the music. Girls, why don't you tell the people about yourself?
What's up? What y'all want to know? Your girls. I'm a female rapper, inspirational rapper. I've been doing my thing since about 99, so I'm kind of seasoned in the game.
Let me ask you this, with you being a female rapper, when it comes to just being in this music business, what's some of the pros that you kind of run into and some of the cons that you run into?
I started off gangster rapping, and it was a lot of cons in that.
Yeah, you can turn into a con.
Exactly.
Ex-con.
Right. You sure right about that, man. Basically being a female in the rap game, it's really not about your talent, and that was the only thing that really kind of threw me off, because I knew I had mad talent, but when you get off in this game, nobody's caring about your talent.
Oh, so they wasn't respecting you for the flows that was coming out your mouth. They was trying to pay attention to the clothes you had on your back. Okay, some of the female rappers that's in the game right now. Say for instance, I throw that Nicki Minaj. When you hear that name, what do you think?
Nicki Minaj, I think talented, but I also think her music is not for me. I'm not dissing her or anything like that. The girl is doing her thing. But when it comes to the kids, man, that's where my heart is, the youth, and I really don't believe that she's pushing the best message to our youth.
You got any shows coming up or anything like that where the people can see you?
I do have something coming up on the 5th, a little spoken word event going down at the Cross Entertainment Center, and I also have a poetry slam going down on the 8th this month at Echo Children Home on the Rock Road.
Oh, you do a little poetry too?
Oh yeah, I do a little spoken word, lyrical.
Don't make me put you on the spot.
Hey, it's whatever.
Back to discipline. I understand that one of your father.
Yes. My father.
What, principal?
Yeah, he was a principal and a pastor. I'm a PK.
What? With you having a pastor and a principal as a father, did it help you or did it hinder you your current decision making?
It most definitely helped me. Most definitely, because in the word it say, raise up a child the way that they should go, and they will not depart from it. So having those morals instilled in me from the very beginning is ultimately what brought me back. And what I mean back is my father passed back in October of 99. And, being born and raised in a church all my life, once he died from leukemia, I pretty much went left, and I went out in the world and I did my own thing, but it was the raising, it was the initial parenting that brought me back over.
Okay.
To this side.
Yeah. With this new music, this new album that you got, what's the title of it?
Pages of My Diary.
Wow, you still write a diary?
Oh man, yeah, I keep journals. It's all about being yourself. You'll be happier. What I was noticing was I was the hardest gangster rapper out here, and originally, to tell y'all the truth, Black was spelled BLACC because I felt and thought that I was a Crip, so I ain't want to put no CK on there.
Right.
So what I realized was writing all of that gangster music, I was writing those lyrics and situations into my lifestyle. I started looking up, and next thing you know, I am being robbed. Next thing you know, I am getting raped or, having an abortion or whatever the case may be. And I really didn't understand it at the time, So once things started coming my way and the trials and tribulations started really pouring in, I knew, because of the way that I was raised, that was my fault, and you got to own up to your own mistakes first.
Pages of the Diary. That's the new album that's coming out. When you gonna drop that? At the beginning of the year, you say?
Beginning of the year, spring 2011.
And what's some of the hits that we can kind of look for on that new album?
A couple of the tracks that you'll be hearing today. You'll hear the Back to the Grind, Cause I'm Black. You'll hear I Remember. It's a nice song, just talking about all the things I used to do, from going to the Palace to the riverfront to the Science Center.
Oh, them the good old days.
Okay. But yeah, I got a lot of nice stories. That's what I plan on really putting out there, my stories, because I do know that my stories heal people.
Your girl Black Diamond, your boy C's World, DJ Better in the rear, bringing up the rear. 89.5 The Wave. Y'all heard us wave, but we finna go to commercial. We gotta pay for this thing, man.
Holla.
Holla.